Hi, this is Real World Audio, and this video is for new subscribers and new people who just started watching my channel and my content. And I would like, and also already I see that there are some videos which have like a really large number of hits. I would like to showcase this one. Well, on my channel, this is the featured video, and I think this here I'm pointing out something truly major that the whole industry has missed so far. No one is talking about that issue, and it is an aspect of digital, of the DAX, of digital music, that if we improve upon, then that will be the holy grail of digital. That will create a massive leap in digital audio quality. Unfortunately, at this moment, this video was largely unwatched, and the comments I received on it showed that the message didn't really go through, and people think that I'm dissing digital with this video, which is not the case. There is of course a comparison between digital and analog, and in it maybe if you are a digital fan, then you will, and you never heard proper analog in your life, you will think that I'm a digital hater, which I am not. I really love good digital, and I think it does sound pretty good. However, what this video is about is that digital could be just about 1,000,000 times better than what it is today. And I'm not saying that digital is bad, although I'm saying that there's plenty of examples of bad digital, there's examples of good digital, but there could be examples of a quantum leap if we fix this issue with digital that I'm talking about. And this digital is the logic gate noise. And if you are an engineer, please look into that, what's happening to logic gate noise, because there is zero talk in the audio world about logic gate noise in digital to analog conversion. And that is the singular key to digital quality. So I really hope that this video or just this knowledge will get wider knowledge online, and people become aware of it, because I truly think that if someone picks up the torch and fixes this issue, all of us will be truly amazed, and we will see a birth of a new technology. It will be just like the invention of airplanes. It will change the audio world that much. So thank you for tuning in, and that was just a small recommendation. I hope you will check it out, and please give me your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.